I'm kind of excited today. I was right in the middle of happy hour and doing taxes. That's not the exciting part. But what I'm excited about is that the UPS man showed up and dropped this box off. Now, I'm a big fan of the Filson gear. Won't say I always pay full price for Filson gear because it is expensive, but it's very good, and I will tell you their customer service is second to none. They recently came out with a motorcycle themed collection called the Alcan for the Alaska Canadian Highway. The Alcan collection. And one of the items that caught my eye and really fit something I've been looking for is the tool roll. So that showed up. It's a brand new item from Filson, so I thought maybe you guys would like to see it and see what it looks like. So let's open it up and see what we have. So the item is a tool bag that is a combination of Cordura and Filson's tin cloth, which is a waxed canvas. So here we have it. And Filson, being also a market-driven company, always has nice little packaging. So we'll just get rid of that. But let's take a look at the tool roll itself. So again, at first look, pretty easy to tell that it's made out of Cordura. Has a sticker, also has the Cordura patch there. So the outer part is Cordura, which is a very durable nylon type material, synthetic material. On the inside, we have a clear pocket, zipper pocket, if you want to throw things in, as well as a key ring, key holder, so you don't lose your keys. And as you unroll it, you have bags to store your tools. And again, this is not a massive bag. This is really designed around motorcycles. Got a nice nylon zipper to it. So it's not made to carry a full overlanding toolkit. And two of them are removable. And the material on the bags themselves, again, is the waxed cotton tin cloth material from Filson. So you have 4 of the bags. Again, 2 of them are removable. Sized nicely. It's large for a motorcycle, there's no doubt, but it is definitely not oversized like some of those that are designed to carry tools for the off-roading community. So there you go. It looks like a very nicely done bag. If you've been interested, I hope this helps give you a relative view of the size of the bag. A handle, your snaps, a little bit of material you can use to tie down the loops to tie it down to the motorcycle. So far I think it looks good. Have to give it a try and see how it works. So that is the new Filson Alcan tool bag. I appreciate you watching. I hope you found it useful. Price-wise, this comes in at $125, which is very comparable to other tool rolls that I've seen out there of this quality. Again, if you like the material, please hit the subscribe button. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching. Take care.